Well, it seems that spring has come at last, and Strasbourg, a lovely city, is very nice in the sun. It's nice to see the sun. And Strasbourg is very beautiful, but we don't want to be here. As members of Parliament, we don't want to be travelling between Brussels and Strasbourg every month, a journey that costs millions and millions of pounds to European taxpayers without the terrible effects on the environment of all the travel back and forth. Parliament this week has voted twice. Majority of MEPs have said we don't want to move between two places of work, we just want to meet and work in one place. And yet nothing changes. Why is that? Well, it's because we don't have full democracy. An elected parliament, the members of parliament that you elect, should be able to make that decision. But we can't, because it's in the treaty and it's only the leaders of the 27 member states that can actually change that decision. We want to change things in Europe. We want a Europe that's more answerable, that's more open, and certainly that's more democratic. And that's what I'll be continuing to campaign for.